More than 20 years ago, I remember myself just like you because I was also a training of before it's anatomy, but now it's motor. So I'm very happy because I'm now retiring, and the one will continue my martial artist will be my son who just promoted today. My daughter, two daughters, because I was also an instructor of anatomy, ibig sabihin, Tumilmodo, in Cabanatuan City, in our university. So, actually, my companion is the mother of our newly promoted also, Juliet, my companion in our university during that time. So that's why I tell you that I'm retiring myself as also an honorary degree black belt, because actually I was only promoted black stripe, but after that, because I already concentrate in my working, so our master is just only promoted me as honorary degree. It's not really black belt, but honorary now. Anyway, I'm congratulating my sons, my daughters, because they tried their best to really come here. Today, a while ago, my son is really crying, but he can still persevere. And I hope that when they come back and go back to their respective places, especially in Cavite, I hope they will do their best to share also what they learned here as to become instructor in our school, New Generation International School. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ramos.